Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Honda CBR500R. This lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 18,000 miles. Beautiful condition, satin black paint. It's got a black windscreen, reflective wheel tape. It's got some nice anodized pieces, and wait till you hear that awesome Leo Vinch exhaust. This bike's getting 2 brand new tires. Come on by and make your lightweight Honda twin cylinder dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.